Once upon a time, a curious kitten wandered into the forest. It was scared. It said, "Oh no, I am lost. Hi, Betty. Can you help me?"
Now, this is how much I make on a daily basis on YouTube. If I scroll through, you're going to see that I make over $2,000 every single day on YouTube. And here you can see that on March 3rd, I made $3,320.89. And if I scroll to the end, you can see that on March 18th, I made over $5,000. And in total, in a month, I can see that I make between $71,000 and $100,000. And this month alone, I've made $87,000 just by sharing kids' educational videos.
Hey everyone, would you like to make the amount of money he's making from animation videos? And you would not believe it, he is making these videos for free. Well, I'm going to show you how you can make cool animated videos for free. By the end of this video, you would have learned how to create stunning animations that look like they were made by pros, all for free. Let's get started. First things first, if you haven't already, head over to your Google Play Store or your App Store to download the app Canva. It's free and it's going to be your best friend for this tutorial. Once you've got it installed, go ahead and open it. You would see a clean, user-friendly interface with tons of options, but don't worry, we are going to walk through everything step by step. So first things first, if you have not already logged in, please log into your Canva account. It makes it easier for you to be able to save the video and access it from any device. Alright, now we're in Canva. For animated videos, I recommend heading over to the video section here. Here you'll find a range of templates designed specifically for video content. Now the fun part, we want to customize. We have to pick a template that resonates with your style. Remember, we are trying to create the video you saw from the onset of the video, of this video rather. So I went ahead to pick the characters, the kitten. I went ahead to pick it first, and then I went ahead to pick the background. So basically, what you have to do is to get your story ready first. Okay, get your story ready first and understand what you want your story to look like, so that when you are searching for the elements, you use the right words to get exactly what you need. So I went ahead and imported the the forest background. I brought it forward, and then it's time to add my words. Just follow closely. If you have another device, you can follow along while I am doing this. Okay, I don't want the video to be too long because I don't want you to stay too long to get this. Okay, and trust me, it is pretty easy. Immediately you start, it will be like you have been doing this for so long. It is very, very easy. It does not take so much time as well. So I went ahead and started editing. Basically, just look through what there are so many options of fonts you can use, so many colors you can use. I just went ahead and started customizing as I wanted. Okay, please follow through. If you are not getting it, feel free to pause at every point or rewind at every point that you feel like you missed something. Now, the cool part about Canva is that you can always create an animation for each character, either the words, either the picture, either the background, even the entrance. You can create an animation for it. Now, this is exactly what I'm doing. You'd see me. I have added the wordings, the narration of the video, and then I am trying to edit it to the way I want it, the animation I want it to display. So once your text and images are set, you can bring everything to life with those animations. There are variety of animation styles like fade, pop, slide. Play around with these things until you find something that fits the vibe of your video. And so I went on with this. I was satisfied with the first scene, and then I went ahead to start creating the second scene. So the story I'm trying to create is a lost kitten that was helped to find its home by a bird. Now the second scene is what I'm creating here now. I have my story. So I'm trying to create a bird in the forest helping or speaking to the kitten. Okay. Remember, it's an animation, it's not real life. We know birds do not talk. Okay, let's get right into it. So like I mentioned earlier, get your story together first. So this would help you know what to search for in the elements. There are a variety of elements to use. Play around with them as much as you can. It's at your disposal. So one beautiful thing I love about Canva is that you can edit every part of the picture, the video, every single part. So you saw that I just went ahead to edit the background because the sky is not like plain white. So I wanted it to look natural. Yeah. And then there's the option of changing the position of each element. So if you want the element to be in front, you can always do that. If you want the element to be behind, you can do that. Just follow through. I think I'm talking too much. So let me keep quiet and allow you guys to watch this tutorial to the end. Now remember, you can preview how each animation looks by hitting the play button at the top of your screen. Do not be afraid to experiment. Canva lets you try out as many animations as you like until you find the perfect one. So this is the result of the animation we just made now, and we made it for free with our phones. Yes. So I went ahead to add the music to really set the mood, and then I did a voiceover with my own voice. So I am done with making the animation and I went ahead to save the video. I did the sound and the voiceover on CapCut. Now watch the complete video and tell me what you think in the comment section. Once upon a time, a curious kitten wandered into the forest. It was scared. It said, "Oh no, I am lost. Hi, Betty. Can you help me?" The bear responded, "Yes, follow me." Fortunately, a friendly bird guided the kitten back home. The cat said, "Thank you for helping me find my home." And there you have it, your very own animated video made entirely on your phone using Canva. And it didn't cost you a single penny. So this is another animation video that I did. I thought to show you guys as well. So if this tutorial helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you do not miss any of my future tips and tricks. Also, I'd love to see what you create. Drop a link to your animated video in the comments below and I will definitely watch it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.